Welcome to Pre-Fill Out on Pro Transfers. We are going to go over the print readiness heat press application simulation. So how well is your image going to heat press and adhere? I've got an image up here on the screen with fading dots, so small dots spread throughout this. Right now the width is set at 13 inches. That's a pretty big image, so those dots, we can go to the zoom tool and kind of roll over them. You can see they are all greater than 1 point, okay? Now if I go over here, I click this little fire button and I can rerun this simulation. It's going to scan the image. You can see those areas pop up as you scan it as to where there might be some trouble. Now there's minor risks, some fine details may not fully adhere. Right here you have a little bit more description. I have the press quality, so we're going to be able to gauge the ability of a press depending on your equipment. So right now it's a little lower. So that was a 69 transfer score. Let's raise it up to a little bit higher standard, and then let's rerun the simulation. Again, you'll see now next to no issues with the things adhering. So that's at a large width, but let's change this down. Let's make it like 4 inches wide. So we're going to start to see some of those dots now fall under that 1 point size, okay? And let's leave it at a higher level of press quality and rerun the simulation again. And here you can see not even a red, but an orange, and then ultimately a shading of where there might be some troublesome areas there, okay? So we just want to give you some confidence in how the transfer you're ordering, the image, the aspect of the artwork might adhere depending upon your setup and what you need to have completed for the product and the customer's desired outcome.